All right, so right now the market is pumping, so it is the 9:30 opening 5-minute candle. So I'm just gonna see if there's any news right now, or what news is today. Obviously don't want to be taking a trade. 9 a.m. 7:30, so there's nothing too crazy today. So we're gonna get our daily bias in check. Might just be the same thing as yesterday, honestly, because we still have this area of high resistance liquidity. Still have high resistance liquidity. Got some right there. ES is right there. ES has all this low resistance liquidity, and Q has that low resistance liquidity. So on the 4-hour, we have those short-term highs, these short-term highs, and then for anything to the downside, all we have is this draw, and then the next draw would be all the way down here on the 4-hour, and I'm sure it'll be the same thing on the 1-hour as well. On the 1-hour, we have that draw. So if we do the same thing on ES, we only have these lows right there, those 4-hour highs, those 4-hour highs, and then those bro, my first click never works, and those 4-hour highs right there. Price is pumping right now, but we haven't taken out any internal range liquidity, like real internal range liquidity. We swept just like a short-term low on the 1 minute, like a very short-term low on the 1 minute. I'll show you guys here in a second. And we also have these lows that we're not too worried about. So we'll drop down to the hourly chart and see what's happening on the hour chart. Turn on our session indicator. Turn on session indicator, so we see no SMT, but price is just making super bullish order flow right now. We had an SMT here at these highs right here, like back a while ago, but then we ended up breaking that SMT to the upside. So there's no longer that. I don't even know why I pointed it out, but looks like we're gonna inverse this 1-hour gap right here on ES and in Q. So ES can definitely, I can expect it to target Asia high. Definitely expect to target Asia high. The next draw will probably be this hourly fair value gap. With ES or within Q, Asia high is about to get taken out, but has not been taken out just yet. We have this fair value gap right here. It's not a bad spot to take profit right there. We have those highs and then those highs right there. I mean, still, we do have this low resistance liquidity on the 1-hour time frame. So we could maybe come down and want to take out London lows. But anything past that, there's nothing past these lows right here. So as of right now, price is coming back down to, I need my things to load, bro. So price could either come out and take out some of these lows right here, maybe these lows, maybe even come down and take out London lows, and then we could continue to look for price to go up from here into the 15-minute. On NQ, kind of reacting off of this 15-minute gap right here. Kind of reacting off of that 15-minute gap, but we have not seen any lower time frame shift yet. Not even in pre-market. So I really wish my freaking indicator would load here. Let me reload the charts, man. Alright, there we go. So you guys can see market opened up and immediately pumped. We didn't have a lower time frame shift at all. We just absolutely ripped. We just ripped straight up. So it's good that we're coming down here and taking out some of these lows right here. We're gonna look for an SMT on ES. Have SMT at these lows right here. Lower time frame SMT. Market's moving like super fast right now. Market's moving super fast. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. I'm anticipating price wanting to just generate some sort of, just like take out some sort of liquidity down here. And then we're gonna look to continue to the upside because I'm not too interested in selling. I mean, I don't know. Selling right now doesn't look very tasty, bro. Like, let's see, you know what I'm saying? We took out previous day low. We could definitely see a move to previous day's high. On a 4-hour time frame, haven't got any sort of market structure shift as of yet. Took out previous day low here. I just don't really see price coming back down to take out more lows. Like, I don't see that happening. Even though we do have a little bit of low resistance liquidity, we have 2 points. We have London lows and then Asia low. I just think price is going to draw to those highs over there. That's my analysis. I feel like it'll draw. And if I'm convicted, it'll happen. So right now what I'm seeing is price inversed. Price inversed this tiny 1 minute gap. I know somebody in their model took that trade. And ES also inversed this 1 minute gap. Also have this fair value gap here. So, but NQ just be running and taking off without people. They don't. NQ doesn't like to let people in their positions at all. Like, for real. Go ahead, take out Asia High, bro. You're already there. You're already there, buddy. Or dump like you usually do. Stop out the nerds and let the real guys in there. You're a nerd. You look like a nerd, you nerd. Nerd. Looking for entry, something like this right here. Don't look like it's gonna happen though. We're definitely gonna make an SMT Asia highs though. Like when we get there on NQ, definitely gonna make SMT, but it's just price don't ever be moving nowhere. So let's see if we rebalance this range right here. So 50% would be at that fair value gap right there. Let's see if we can tap into equilibrium, get the fair value gap, and then continue higher. If we continue higher, we're definitely going to be entering on that candle.
That was the decision you ever made. My car. How much did it cost? $80,000. What's your car payment on that?
Okay, tap into equilibrium and the fair value gap. See if we see a bullish reaction off of this fair value gap, and if so, we're definitely gonna be longing here. Definitely, boys. Definitely gonna be longing. Def gonna be longing. Let's get ready to buy. Alright, we rebalance price action and also tapping into this fair value gap. Now let's see if that's the one price wanted to fill, or if we're just gonna be flipping bearish here. Boys, we're so ready to long. If we get any sort of bullish reaction out of this area, I'm so in, dude. I'm so in. Give me a better entry. You know, if we can get a little nice, like a little candle, like right there to pump up right there. Stop loss would be right there. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, just getting us a little 5R action. Little 1.5R action at first TP. The 1.5R action off of this. It's gotta happen though first. We can't just enter off nothing. Do we want to come for London lows? Is that what you guys are heading for? Is London lows? Definitely flushing through to the lows though. Definitely coming for this. Well, maybe that is what you want to come for, bro. So if we knock off this 15-minute fair value gap, we get a swept liquidity. This thing just flushing, bro. Like, even if I was wanting to go short, like, there's nowhere really for me to go short. If I had a short bias from the start of the day, maybe would have been able to get in after, maybe we inverse this gap right there. That's pretty much the only entry, bro. I mean, does price really want to just come back for this, bro? Is that where price is trying to go? Like all the way down there? Hey, I'll tell you something though. If I don't know, I'm not gonna fire. I'm not gonna pull the trigger, bro. I'm not trading, bro. If I don't know where price gonna go, that don't make no sense. I mean, I'm still bullish on this though. Like we just keep. As of right now, I'm still bullish on it. Obviously, ES has some more room to go down, but we had a lot of low resistance like liquidity on this 5-minute here. Just it's a lot of stuff generated and built up. So I'm not surprised that price. I'm not surprised if price wanted to come down and take out all of that LR before making a move to the up. I wouldn't be surprised and I wouldn't be mad at it. It's a very classic SMT here. It's a very classic bullish SMT. Those 5-minute lows. Looks like we're about to inverse this 1-minute gap as well. Have to inverse this 1-minute gap right here. Go ahead and mark that out. Oh, dude, I don't want to enter on a freaking. I don't want to enter on this right here, bro. Like, look how bad it is now, bro. Look how bad life is right now. I want you to inverse this, rebalance price action. or make new market structure for me to get some sort of a better entry, bro. Because I'm not doing this freaking big ass stop loss again, bro. You better come down, fill your fair value gap like you're supposed to. You're supposed to balance price action. Fill that, and then make a bullish reaction off of that to give me a better entry. Because I'm not entering off of the break of this inverse right here, bro. To have this mega cock stop loss, bro. I'm not doing that, bro. I deserve a good win today, so I'm gonna wait for a good win today. It's 9:50. The macro has started. We have tapped into this fair value gap after we inversed it. So if we definitely continue to see bullish order flow, we have us a better entry. But until then, bro, look at that. They're trying to give us something good here. They're trying to give us something real good here, boy. Let's get ready for this, man. Stop loss is gonna be at the low of that. What the fair value gap below the candle? Let's do lower the candle. So that's definitely gonna. Dude, what the fuck? Oh my gosh, bro. Fuck me, bro. Alright, let's just enter this right here. Stop loss is gonna be right there, bro. Alright, that's so bad because, like, I don't know, I just feel like we deserve a much better entry than that, but it's alright, bro. It's alright, bro. We have a pretty easy draw on liquidity. Right there, got an amazing closure out of that fair value gap, so you can't really hope for much more. Can't really hope for much more, man. Can't be mad that price was too powerful coming out of that. Yeah, I mean, had a 5-minute SMT at these lows. It's just overall just a very solid position. Oh, great, I don't have a TP. Great, now I'm not gonna be able to take profit. God, I don't even know how to set a take profit on freaking TradingView. I have no idea how to do it, and since I don't have anything here, bro, the only option I'll have is to just close my full position. It's so unfortunate, bro. Modify order. Whatever, I guess let's get to break even first, bro. The 5-minute on ES isn't looking too hot. Got 5-minute here isn't looking, just looking choppy, bro. Price action on the lower time frame is very clean though. I like it. Came down, filled this fair value gap. Let's see if we can get a bullish closure out of this fair value gap. Just like we did on the last one. We had too much volume also inverse it. There's just a lot of things screaming at me personally, saying, "Hey, this is a good buy right here. This is a decent buy." So I'm not mad at this buy. I'm not mad at it. I even like the stop loss. I even like the stop loss. So we just gotta break out of this range we're in, bro. That's gonna be the only thing. You gotta break out of this range. Or even if we close bullish after that fair value gap is fine too. Or bearish is good. If you're not ready to go yet, it's fine. It's fine if you're not yet ready to go. It's fine. But as long as you make sure you do it eventually without stopping me out first, glorious. So we're just taking continuation to the upside. Inversed all these PD arrays, bro, like just completely disrespecting bearish order flow, respecting bullish order flow. You know what I'm saying? It's just the only thing that makes sense to me. Now let's see if we have our stop loss right. Stop loss is good. It's the only thing that makes sense to me. The candles on the 1 minute are printing very weak, but that doesn't mean anything as of right now. We're just trying to see if we can get the pop. See if we can get a pop. See if we can get a pop. Rare price is just like bouncing. I guess as long as we're not as long as we don't lose money, it's fine, I guess. I'm one trade away from a payout. I just need to make money. I need to just lock in money. Who doesn't need to lock in money though? Like everybody needs to lock in money. There goes a little bit of volume to the upside like we want. Our break-even point is gonna be Asia high. So what is this? This isn't even Asia high. This is just we already took out Asia high. Made SMT at Asia high. Matter of fact, I didn't even see that. I gotta change the color of my lines. That's pretty dark. Okay, so a little bit of an issue. We did make an SMT major divergence at Asia high that I didn't even see. Hopefully that doesn't affect it too much. Hopefully ES does want to come take out Asia highs, but I definitely did not see that SMT there. Well, I'm scared now because that means we already took out Asia highs. And NQ did not. So that means we're not totally confirmed that we're entirely bullish just yet. Not just yet. Not just yet. We're definitely a little bit yeah. We're definitely I'm scared now. I'm scared now. But nevertheless, we're in the trade. Price action is price action. Price action is definitely respecting bullish order flow. Price action is definitely respecting bullish order flow. Some things you can't ignore. Might not be perfect, might not be pretty. But we're definitely respecting bullish order flows right now. On my other account, we're just bouncing around my entry. My entry was like really bad. It was like all the way up here. Like up here, matter of fact. Yeah, bro. It's bad that we made SMTAs on it. I want to move like my stop like right here, simply because of what we did that I didn't see with the Asia highs, bro. I did not see that we made a freaking SMT there. I'm like praying this doesn't cook me. At this point, like we made just relative equal highs all the way throughout on ES. That could definitely be something we want to take out before we reverse. I don't know. Just gotta wait, bro. We're not gonna make any rash decisions. We're just gonna wait and see what price action starts telling us. But if we do break below these lows, bro, I'm probably gonna consider like closing this position, because just because of what we got going on with price right now. Just because of what we got going on, bro. Let's get a closure above these highs. Let's get a closure above these wicks here. ES is starting to move right now. Like honestly, our first take profit could genuinely be like, if we do actually start pushing here, our first take profit could definitely be once ES hits the objective, instead of waiting for NQ to take out some highs. That's kind of where my brain's at right now, is maybe take profit. ES just like totally just swept those highs and just dumped right there. All right, but we're still getting not a bad closure. Not a bad closure, I guess. It's not the best I've seen, though. Not the best. I mean, we did inverse this 15-minute gap, so I guess we have that going for us. We inverse that 15-minute right there. Inverse that 15. Yeah, it's pretty much the only thing we got going for us is we inverse the 15. That wick on the 15-minute is insane. It's pitiful, bro. This looks terrible. This just looks god awful, man. That just looks awful. Looks so bad, bro. missed that, dude. I need to like change the colors of this. And change these darker, man. I might change it to not be a dotted line. I don't even know, bro. This right here, though. It just has potential. I don't know where it's gonna go, but it has potential. My entry on my personal account is right here. So my personal, I'm targeting like a 3R. And then some targeting a 5R. So I can't even take profit on this though. I don't even know how. The only option is to like close full. After if we hit these highs right here, and we're gonna go break even. That's our break even point. No, I thought it was cool how the little guys, trading gurus, they do this for their Discord. Do this for my Discord break even point. And then we're gonna have to sit in like an 8-hour long trade again. Yeah, I'm cool with that, bro, as long as I win. I don't care how long I gotta work to get to the money. I don't care how long I gotta work to get to the money, man. Wouldn't be the first time we pushed up here and got rejected. So let's see if just a Drake to BE. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Stops are at break even. Risk free trade. Let's just hope we just continue to the upside. We're officially taking out the next area of London highs, so or of Asia highs. So we definitely want to see a continuation to the upside here. Don't want to take any profit at these hourly highs. I want to wait till ES hits the objective to pretty much close my position. Not pretty much, but I want to wait until ES hits the objective to close my position. Either way, stops are B. So we're happy. All right, bro. You're really pushing it. Move stops are like right here, matter of fact. What the fuck? Why did I get taken out? Oh my gosh. Hold on. I got taken out of my other account, bro. It's insane. Damn, bro, you can't be serious, bro. What do I do? It's like risk $240 on that position. I don't really want to go like back negative after I just made a trade. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be negative on the day. Dang, I got closed out on my other account. Stopped in profit a little bit, like $10, but I guess we're gonna get stopped out here anyway. Yeah, we got stopped out there anyway. So, literally, bro, price is not moving at all, bro. How are we down $100? This pissed me off. Yeah, price isn't wanting to move here, like, at all. Price is not wanting to go anywhere. Like, at this point with the 5-minute SMT, like with this SMT at Asia highs, I'm really thinking price might want to come down and take out like this right here, bro. It's just not going anywhere. 5-minute. Swap out all these highs resting up there. Not getting any sort of volume to the upside, just I genuinely still do believe in the longs, bro. I genuinely still do. Hey, we made $7 on that. We made $7 on that trade, and then lost $100 on the other account. So we're gonna wait for some sort of. I'm gonna wait for something here. I don't believe there's anywhere else price can really go other than up today. I just don't believe there's anywhere else price can go. I think it might take a while, but I think once we open up that GERT, once he wants to open up that GERT hole, we can definitely push up. Will we expand all the way up here? Probably not. We got plenty draws that we can target. All this low resistance right there, bro. It's just foaming at the mouth, bro. It's foaming at the mouth. So I'm thinking if we make a fair value gap here, make a fair value gap, respect it. It'll be just an easy peasy trade that we can take. Do something like this, stop loss right there, and we can just like shoot for the stars, bro. Shoot for the stars or something like that. We're down 100 going on a day. So no fair value up there. We definitely want to be patient, bro. Definitely want to be patient. Don't want to rush anything. Don't want to make any crazy moves, but I definitely do believe price is gonna go up today. Definitely do. Maybe I was wrong for doing stops to break even. Don't care. What type of candle is that, bro? Who wants to see a candle like that when they're in longs? I don't care. If I got stopped out there, so be it. I don't want to see that crap when I'm trying to take a trade. When I'm trying to go long, I want to see long candles. I want to see long candles. So if we are bearish, you know, I'm just saying, rebalanced that range, maybe we see a break back down, but we definitely want to be patient. We definitely want to be patient. Definitely don't want to make any drastic decisions and just click the buy button right here and then price murders everything, because we're still very much within a range right here. even though we haven't necessarily came down and made a low yet, which is why I think price is definitely gonna come out. Like, look at this on the 5-minute, bro. Just stacked highs, stacked highs, stacked highs, bro. Price is gonna eat all of this up, bro. You just gotta wait for the right moment. Look at that. Price is definitely gonna eat up all of those lows, bro. It needs it. It wants it. It wants it bad. The question is will Julian, will CG get an entry? Does God love me? Does God love me? So I'm looking for this fair value gap right here, the teeny tiny FVG, to get filled and respected, and then we'll enter with stops right here. Stops somewhere like that right there. I think we like the way price action's looking, bro. We should probably go for a bigger stop loss. Genuinely. Genuinely. We could also enter. Okay, never mind. Like that. Could also enter something like that. But yeah, let's just wait. Just wait and see what price gives us, bro. Let's just wait and see what price doesn't give us. No, I definitely eating this up if we fill this fair value gap. But like I be saying, bro, sometimes price don't be wanting to fill those imbalances on a lower time frame, bro. Like, just be pushing until it can't take the stress anymore, and then it'll just dump, and then it'll just rip up again. I'm definitely gonna have a TP in the market this time so we can take profit. But we tap into that fair value gap that I was talking about. Now I want to see a bullish closure out of this fair value gap. And if I get that bullish closure, I'm in this trade. I'm in this trade. Give me a good closure, man. You can pump. I don't mind you pumping. That's what we want to see you do, boy. We want to see you pump, boy. See that dick jump. See that monk jump. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there, boy. Do that. Eat that up. Eat that up, boy. There you go. Eat that up, boy. I just gotta hurry up because I don't know. Okay, that's not a great closure. Okay, just totally. Ooh, yeesh, bro. That was bad. Nevertheless, still bullish though. We got the reaction that we were looking for. Got a reaction. Just not the close we wanted. Not the close we needed either. We want to see something awesome out of this fair value gap. That's what we want to see. We want to see something wicked. We want to see something spectacular. That's what we're talking about, boy. Right there. Just like that right there. Do it for me. Do it for me. All right, we're in that. Oh, we're in that. We're in these longs again. We're in these longs again. We're in the longs again. And again, let me set my stop loss here, just in case the market just totally just dumps. We're in these longs again, a little bit under risk on PA, I believe. Oh no, we're good. About 450. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, not under risk at all. And we gotta take profit in the market. So let's get our TP right. So we have this 30-minute right there. Take half off at that 30-minute. Oh, not 15, dude. 5. Take half off of that 30-minute right there. I'm not really worried about a 5-minute spot, but let's go to the I have nothing on the hourly other than this fair value gap that we're already about to inverse. The 4-hour. Yeah, so we can take some off at the 30-minute right there. But I'm heavily convicted in ES coming out and taking out Asia highs, bro. ES takes out Asia highs, we're golden. ES takes out Asia highs, we are golden. Like, we haven't even, no, I'm at work right now. Like, in theory, maybe we moved our stop to break even prematurely, but I had my reasoning. I had my reasons, bro. Our entry shouldn't be too high because we have plenty of room. So in order for us to lose this, we would have to not be invalidated for shorts, but definitely be invalidated for like the short-term trend. But ES finally popped and we basically entered right before the pop. So like I'm pretty, I'll take money, bro. Whatever. I like money. So if we make money, that's all I need. It's just where else does price go after? Like where else does price go? It doesn't go down. There's nowhere for it. And I mean like at market open. Like there's nowhere for price really to go down at other than those short-term lows that we created on that leg up. But that was after we swept out all this internal range liquidity right there. That was after that. It just doesn't make any sense as to like what else price would want to go to. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe we come back down here and fill that fair value gap, but for the most part, like I just feel like it wouldn't make sense for price to do anything else but go up here. Doesn't make sense for it to do anything else. It's a little bit definitely choppy here. Targeting a 4.9R, targeting a 4.4R here. It's not bad. I'm saying as long as we make the money. On top of that, like our first TP would have been all the way like at 3R. What is that? First TP was at 2.6R. So yeah, obviously we're a little bit behind. You know what I'm saying? But that's what happens when you get stopped out and stuff. You gotta re-enter. Happens to the best of us, bro. And I'm not the best of them. Definitely not. So the vape gives us superpowers. The vape gives us powers. Stops will go to break even after ES takes out Asia highs. After ES takes out Asia highs, stops are break even. Like these 30-minute highs are just not very prominent at all. We could probably real deal let this just kind of run. Or am I being facetious? Am I being facetious?
Facetious.
Okay. Treating serious issues deliberately with inappropriate humor. Okay, yeah, I might be being facetious, but I don't know. We'll just give it time to rock out. Just give it time to rock out with its cock out. Rock out with its cock out. Have no water. I need water. Let's hope we don't. Just don't. Alright, it's like 9:30. I gotta leave at like 10, at like 9:45, so let's hope that we can just be running in profit by that point so I don't have to be worried about much. Siri, set an alarm for 9:45. I don't even know, bro. My Siri's boo-boo. I don't even know if it set the alarm. Hopefully we can just be like, just all we gotta do is just wait for targets. Like hopefully stops are already at break even at that point. We just wait for targets to get hit. That's all I'm pretty much hoping for. I wanted to do it within the next 15 minutes. We can definitely do it, bro. We just gotta stop consolidating after JR gets in the trade. Entered at the top of that candle, yeah. Both entries are the exact same. Both entries are the exact same. So probably like log in to my account on my phone so I can like manage both of these positions. Okay, let me do this from here. Go trade evade. Demo, log in. So we got a position right there on our phone. Come on, buddy. Good boy. So we're gonna set an alert on MES. god, bro. I'm gonna consolidate once I get in the trade, bro. Alright, so I mean we got an alert set on ES after we take out those highs right there. This is just like god awful, like not every time, but like just want to start disrespecting things. Just want to disrespect me. Is that what it is? I'm gonna just have to leave my computer like on, then have the bro turn off the screen recording and stuff. Bruh. Tapped into this 1 minute right here. Maybe we're filling a 5 minute fair value gap. We are. So just I'm hoping, I'm anticipating prices just wanting to rebalance that 5 minute gap right there so we can continue higher. I feel like so far price action has been extremely choppy, but it's been efficient, you know. So we've definitely had efficient price action throughout this entire leg here. So I guess if efficiency continues, then we're fine with that. I just want to see like a good reaction off of this 5 minute right here. Obviously, because I'm in longs. We wouldn't want to see a good reaction off of that 5 minute. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Like the 1 minute setting up like we're about to flush here. Look. Just setting up for an absolute flush. Just setting up for an absolute flush right there. I mean, what are you gonna do though? I mean, I'm definitely not selling this hoe, so definitely not selling this hoe. But realistically, I'm probably gonna like be in this trade like damn near all day. Probably damn near all day. See some objectives on ES, maybe that provide some insight for us. It's like nothing. Like I don't even know what that is. What is this? What is this right here? Oh yeah, I can't even see. What is this right here? I don't even know what this is. Maybe that's just New York high. Oh, that maybe a 4 hour high. What is that? 30 minute? 15 minute maybe? Yeah, I don't even know what this is. I don't know what that is. Just look at all of that right there, bro. Yes, it's just having problems. Just being a problematic child right now. Very problematic. Being very problematic. I believe in you though, baby. I believe in you, baby. All you gotta do Just move your legs and your hands. All you gotta do. Move your legs, yes, move your legs. All you gotta do is move your legs and your hands. I'm gonna whip and dab. Pipe it up and stab. Yeah, bro. Just setting up for an absolute flush. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Disrespect this gap right here. That's our last. Like, that's our last hope right there. It's for you to respect that fair value gap. That's it. It's like actually our last hope. There's nothing stopping price from coming down, taking out those lows. Like, we're starting to react off that 5 minute, just not getting. You got it, bro. You got it, bro. Took a loss today. Losing day. Down like what? We might actually be down. Why is this at 5, bro? See, this shit is trying to kill me right now. Trying to kill me. My stop loss at 5. Alright, so if we were to buy 10 right here, how much are we losing? About 470 with fees and stuff. Yeah, bro. Cooked up here. I don't know how else to play it, bro. If price action's too choppy, move stops to break even, bro. I mean, fuck it, bro. You know. I don't know, bro. I'm just really happy with the buys down here, but like, I don't know, it sucks. It's like you know where price wants to go, but you can't do anything about it. Can't do anything about it, bro. You tried it, gave it 2 opportunities. Yeah, bro, we're gonna get ate up like a dog right here. Ate up like a freaking animal. We're about to get mauled, bro. Hey, there's nothing I can do, bro. I gotta go get ready to go. Make it 1020, bro. This is crazy work right here, bro. Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro. Holy frick, dude. Hey Jordan, did you take a load today? I'm leaving my computer on and I'm trying to see if you're gonna be here for like the next hour or two to like turn it off. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna have to turn off the screen recording, bro, but just know, fellas, that the stop loss is here. Dude, I might even move to take profit, honestly, if we start taking off somewhere, but yeah, I'm gonna head out. And that's a day, bro. Like, oh my gosh, if we would have stayed in this position, would have not ever moved stops to break even, would have been up like 580 bucks, maybe $600-700 bucks, maybe $600-700 bucks, whatever. All right, I'll see y'all later. I'll update y'all when I get back. Can't even turn off the. Oh, dude, this is gonna piss me off.